welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome. My name is Oge. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so you won't be left out on my interesting, delicious recipe and mommy life videos. I'm going to show you how to make easy egg and avocado salad for breakfast, and trust me, it is so easy to make and so delicious. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Comment on the comment section, don't miss that. So let's get down to business. You need 2 eggs, kale leaves, avocado. Now you cut your eggs in tiny bits. Chop your eggs. You could use 1 or 2 depending on the quantity you want. How much quantity you want. Chop your avocado in bits too. You have to make it cube like just the way I'm doing it. Chop your kale leaves. Remember to wash it with salt because it has this taste that salt suppresses. So I like washing my kale leaves with salt. It's time to mix. I like start with the eggs, avocado, eggs, more eggs, let's put in all the avocado, then the kale leaves. Just put as much as you want. Then your mayo, you could either use the light or thick mayo. I'm using the thick mayo. This is it right here. And here you have it, your delicious egg and avocado salad ready for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Bye bye.